Hello everyone, Nasir here. In this video I'm going to give you an update on my analysis that I posted a few weeks back for Brent crude oil. So my original analysis was talking about how Brent crude oil will bounce off around the 100 level and head towards around 140 $145 a barrel. Since then we had crude oil rise from 100 to about 120, then drop back to around 100 and rally back to 113. So some beautiful opportunities there. That's a lot of volatility for Brent crude oil, to be honest. And it's obviously given the circumstances with Russia, Ukraine and so on. So we had a rally recently going from around 100-ish, 98 to be particular, to 114. Nice beautiful rally. So if you did trade that and managed to catch those $14, $15, $16, you should have made a healthy profit. Please do share your results in the comments. It'd be really nice to hear the results people are getting by following my analysis. By the time the price reached around 114, 115, it became quite obvious, well, to me at least, that the price will reverse and head back down. I was expecting it to head back down to somewhere around 100, 103-ish. So it's gone a little bit more than I sort of expected, but that's okay. I wasn't too far off. If you've been following my analysis on YouTube, I don't provide every single step or every single move that's going on. Two reasons. Firstly, when the moves are quite small or fast, it's really hard to calculate and work out, so I just sort of stay away from those. I don't want to be giving lots of false trade ideas that fail. At the end of the day, I want my followers to gain profit, so I will only post something when I feel pretty confident about it. And the other thing is, my original analysis going from 100 to 145 is a long shot, but it doesn't mean that it's going to go up in a straight line. As you've seen, it's gone up to 120, come back down, gone up to 113, come back down to close to 100 again. So there's multiple opportunities, and it's often quite easy sometimes actually, and very possible to work out when those moves are going to happen, and just gives you a lot more opportunities to make a lot more profit. And if you want to receive my trade ideas on these smaller movements, then I would recommend going to my website on Financial Markets Club and joining my premium signal service. So back to what's happening right now. We've had the price drop from 114 back down to around 100. A wonderful shorting opportunity if you were bold enough to do this. I did take advantage of this, but I sort of cut out at 105. I wasn't sure if it would reach 100 to be exact. And I feel now that we're ready to head back up again. So this original trade idea, taking Brent up to 145, still remains intact. We haven't reached any key support levels. I like the fact that yesterday the price sort of stopped around the 99-ish, very close to 100 level, and it's just sort of bounced off. At the moment, right now, if we're looking at it, it looks like it's going to push back down a bit more. I'm not too worried about this. I feel it might come really close to the bottom and sort of push turn back. So I'm not too worried about this. What I'm looking for in particular is, yesterday I was looking for this trend line to be broken on the 15-minute scale, which it did, quite dramatically as well. And what I'm looking for today, or by the end of today, or possibly tomorrow, I'm looking for this larger trend line here to be broken. Once this larger trend line is broken, then I'd be pretty confident that we're heading back up. Easily we're going to 120. It's very probable, and if we can exceed 120, then we're looking at the next levels around the 130, 140. So yeah, thanks for following my analysis, guys. Please do stay tuned in. As I mentioned, if you do want all my trading suggestions, go to my website www.financialmarkets.club and join my premium service, where you'll get access to all my analysis, so you can do a lot more trading. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.